Hey, what's up guys, it is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today we are going to be showing you guys a really awesome card trick, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. Now, it is January now, and we are going to be starting up monthly giveaways every single month now, so make sure you guys are checking out all our videos. We're going to announce the giveaway in every single one of our videos, so you guys can comment as many times as you guys want. We're going to be really announcing in every video, so you can comment on every single video for more entries. So this is what we're going to be doing for January. If you don't know how we used to do our monthly giveaways, what we'll do is we'll announce the winners of the giveaway on the first day of the next month. So in this case, on February 1st, you guys will get the announcement video where we announce the winners. Now, we have done giveaways I think we did a holiday giveaway, and what we did was we basically directly contacted all of the winners, because sometimes the winners don't actually respond because they don't see the results video. So what do you guys want? Would you prefer us to make a video where we announce the winners, or do what we've been doing where we've been just directly contacting the winners? Let us know down in the comment section below. But anyway, what we're going to be giving away for this giveaway, we're going to give away 10 Theory 11 decks. Theory 11 decks. So in this case, you got Monarchs, Contrabands, all these different types of decks. You guys can win. So if it's a Theory 11 deck, you guys can win it. What we're doing is we're giving away 10. There's going to be 5 winners. Each winner will get 2 decks each of your choice. Any color you want, you guys get to pick if you win. Once again, 2 decks each. And we're also going to give away 3 $10 Amazon gift cards, which you guys could also use to go out and buy some more decks. So that is the giveaway. Once again, 10 Theory 11 decks, okay? And 5 winners for those. 2 decks for each person, and also a $30 Amazon gift card giveaway, $10 per winner. So that is the January giveaway. Once again, all you have to do to enter this giveaway is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you guys comment something down below about Card Shuffler 99, whether it's your favorite memory, what you like about this video, anything about Card Shuffler 99. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it.
We have a king, the 2 kings here. I'm going to scroll down through the deck or riffle down through the deck, and they can place the king in whenever they would like. And we're going to split the deck up into 3 different piles. So there's one, and I'm going to ask them to do it one more time. So they place it in there. And now we have our 3 piles that we need. So what we'll do is, to be fair, we can give the piles a quick mix-up like that. And yeah, make sure we mix them all up so it's absolutely fair. So what we'll do from here is, the spectator can do this or I can do it. It doesn't matter that much. I'm going to place the cards down, and they can say stop, or they can place the cards down, and whenever they want, they're going to take the next card whenever they feel like stopping, flip it over, and then place the rest of the pile on top. So we can do that now. So I start. Let's say the spectator says stop here. Place the card face up. Place the rest of the cards on top of that. And we'll do that for all 3 of the piles. So maybe they only want 2 this time. And for the last one, let's do this. Remember, guys, they can do this right there. So what we'll do is take all the piles. We'll collect them. Push it all together. Now, we're going to take a look and see exactly where they stopped us at. So stopped us here. 6 of diamonds, the joker, and the 4 of hearts right there. So we'll take a look at the cards they stopped us at. So you stopped us at the ace of hearts, the ace of clubs, and the ace of diamonds. Remember, you could have stopped whenever you wanted to, but you stopped exactly at those 3 cards. Now, clearly there's 4 aces in the deck, so what we'll do here is we'll use the 2 kings to help find the final ace. So all we have to do is count to 3. 1, 2, 3. We can actually show you that the kings catch 1 card. It just happens to be the final ace. That is the trick, guys. Let's learn how to do this. So there is a setup for this trick, guys. And yeah, so what you're going to need is, you can use any 4 of a kind. Doesn't exactly matter what 4 of a kind you use. And you're also going to need 2 other cards, because they will be doing, finding the last card in the end of the trick. So Doesn't matter what cards you use, just make sure there's the same 4 of a kind here, and then 2 very similar or identical cards. For these, you can use the jokers, or you can use the kings, queens, whatever you guys would like, and then just 4 of a kind for this. So what you guys can do is this is how you're going to set it up. So you're going to take 1 ace, place it on the top, 1 ace, place it on the bottom. Now for the other 2 aces, if you want the ace of spades to be the last ace to show up, because you know it's the special ace, if you want to put it like that, what you're going to do is you're going to take about 1/3 of the deck, maybe a little more, it doesn't matter. I would do a little more than 1/3. Take about 1/3 of the deck. You're going to take the ace of clubs, and you're going to place it right here, and then you're going to take the ace of spades, and you're going to place it on this pile here. Now what you're going to do, so you'll take the ace of clubs, you'll put it right here, and then you'll take the ace of spades, and you're going to place it right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold a break right above the ace of clubs and right below the ace of spades, like that. And that's your setup. So one more time, you're going to have an ace on the top, an ace on the bottom, and then in the middle of the deck, you know, around 1/2 to 1/3, you're going to have the ace of clubs, and then the ace of spades, and you're going to hold a break right there. Now, guys, you have 2 options of what you can do. You can either do what I did in the performance, which is you can use the card, and I'll show you guys how to do that, or you can just riffle down. So I'm going to show you how to just do the riffle down first. So if you're going to riffle down, normally, not the way I did it in the performance, you just have your break. You riffle down through the deck. They say stop. Doesn't matter where they say stop there. You're just going to lift up on this break no matter what happens. So they say stop there. I'm just going to lift up on the break and just place it there anyways. So basically you're just lifting up on your break where the ace of clubs and the ace of spades meet. That's all you're doing. And then the second one, it doesn't matter at all. That's it. That's all you have to do. So basically, if you want to do it the way I did in the performance, I'll show you guys how to do that now. So it's a little bit more risky, and you gotta make sure you tell the spectator you want to split this deck up into thirds so they don't like go through all of the deck. So when you're doing this, you're gonna have them place it in whenever they would like. You riffle down, and you need to have them place it above the break. Watch what happens. So if they place, like they should, place it above the break, so let's say they place it there, as long as they place it above this break, everything will be fine. What's going to happen is, they're going to place it somewhere random. What you're going to do is you're going to put pressure down on this card with your thumb here, and then you're going to grab all of these cards right here, and you're just going to slide them out. And what's going to happen is, as you can see right here, I'm just sliding this card out and making it seem like they stopped me right here when they actually didn't. And I'll place these cards down, and they can do it again, and then this time I'll actually just take it where the king is. So once again, I'll show you how to do that. So if you just want to do it the normal way, or the not normal way, easier way, just riffle down and then just lift up on that break. Or you could take another card, scroll down. Now you have to make sure you go slow, because if you go past that point, if you go past this break, it won't work. Watch. So I go past that point, it doesn't work. I won't be able to lift up on that break. So you have to make sure they lift up before that point. It's a little bit more risky, but you'll be fine. So from here, you go through. They get it before that break, very important. Before the break, lift up on all of those cards, place it down, just get rid of the king, or do it again. Make sure you do the same thing twice. Do it again, and then you're good from there. So basically, you have 3 piles that you split up, and we'll go from here. So what you're going to do is, you're in a situation. So you want to shuffle all 3 piles. So for the first pile, the situation you're in, you have the ace of spades on the bottom and the ace of diamonds on top. What you're going to do is you're going to have them switch positions. This way the ace of spades is the card that's missing in the end. So what you're going to do is you're just going to peel off the top card like that. Then you're going to peel off a bunch of cards. And then you're going to peel off 1 card at a time until you get to the final card. And all you're doing is you're just switching the position of the ace of diamonds and the ace of spades, and your excuses, you just want to mix up the packs. For the next one, what you're going to do is you have a random card on the bottom and you have an ace on the top. So what you have to do is you have to bring the ace to the bottom. So just peel off a single card and then just get rid of the rest. just looks like you're shuffling. For the last one, you have an ace on the bottom and you have nothing on top. So what you're going to do is you're just going to leave the ace on the bottom. So how you're going to do this is you're just going to peel off the ace with the top card. So watch. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to peel off this top card while my fingers grab this card. And as you can see, the bottom card comes off with this card, and that will just maintain the ace on the bottom. And you can do that multiple times as long as the ace stays on the bottom. Now, from here, what you guys can do is you're going to have the spectator to do this, but you have to do this too. Be careful, though. If you guys do want to explain this, just make sure the cards stay in the same order. So, like, if you're trying to explain it to the spectator, don't go like this. So, you just do it on the cards, and then you flip over whenever you want, and go like that. If you do that, make sure you reverse the order of the cards to maintain the ace on top and the ace in the bottom. So make sure you do that. So when you're explaining, make sure you leave the cards in the order that they're in. So you can actually have them do it. So they go through. It doesn't matter when they stop, as long as they don't go through all of the cards. Flip over the card. They can leave it out jogged. Perfect, like that. They can do it again. They can put one, if they put down one card, that's perfectly fine. It still works. And yeah, so let's have them do it one more time for this last one. And they go right there. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to take the last pile, put it on top of this pile, put it on top on this pile. And if you guys can't really remember that, all you really have to remember is that the first pile has the ace on the bottom. So if you just remember that, the ace just has to stay on the bottom. Just remember that, guys. So you can put this one on top of this one. Just make sure that this ace stays on the bottom of the deck, and you can square up all the cards. So just make sure this ace stays on the bottom. So I would collect 3, 2, 1, just like that. You can go through the cards, and it's very important that you take the card above the face-up card, not the card below it. So like this. So take the card above it. Take the card above it like that. And then find the last one and take the card above it. And then from here, what you can do is you can just show that you stop them at the 3 aces. And they'll be like, wow. I mean, you explain to them that they did this. And then for the final ace, what you're going to do is you're just going to do a little bit of known as the sandwich trick, which you're going to take one king, you're going to place it on the top. You're going to take another king, you're going to place it on the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to out-jog the king, just like that. And here's your grip. You're going to put one thumb on top, and then you're going to have this king out jogged. And all 4 of your fingers are going to apply pressure on this ace right here. So none of those fingertips are touching this card, touching that king. They're all touching the ace. So when you throw it, what's going to happen is you're going to be left with one card. My bad there, guys. Hard to do in a little slow motion. I'm trying to show you guys in slow motion. But when you do this, it's going to come out like this, and since you're applying a pressure on the ace, you're going to sandwich the ace like that, and you can show that you've caught the ace. So that is the trick, guys. Once again, just have your hand ready to catch the ace when you're doing this. So once again, the ace is just on the bottom, and you're just going to throw the cards to your other hand, 1, 2, and then 3, and make sure you catch the cards, and then you can show that you've caught the ace. That is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And this is Card Shuffler 99. Peace out.